Well. What are we doing today, Ben?
We're gonna be putting the best stuff in my baby right here.
There you go. Right. Hey guys, Tyler with Orem Auto Care here, and today we're doing some AMSOIL love to a nice Civic. One of the most forgotten thing is adding fuel treatment once every oil change to help keep the injectors nice and healthy. So it's as easy as putting it in. Just make sure you top off your fuel, so that way you get the benefit of a full tank. And the reason why this actually works, because it has a formula of PEA in here to help really clean the injectors. High concentration of it, by the way. So Ben, as we're recording an episode on the channel,
Yes.
what's your thoughts about AMSOIL since you've ran AMSOIL for a while?
It's great. It's what's the best stuff you can get out there for your engine.
Yeah.
What can you ask for?
The little D-Series Honda guys. Let's go.
We're gonna see how good the products can make this engine run.
There you go.
The R is for iridium or whatever.
Iridium.
Iridium.
No, yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't think those are iridium because the spark plug tip is pretty,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about the same.
Okay. Cool. Let's get the
Yep.
ones in.
Spark plug job, guys.
Here we are.
Yes, sir. Bro, that's bad.
Maybe I was losing compression from that. Could I lose compression from spark plugs?
I can't see why not, If it's not sealed, that's why they have that crush washer.
Yeah.
What the? Did you just put hand tight and just forget?
So. They're barely hand tight. Yeah.
You guys will be able to see this more on the channel because obviously it's my boy Ben's car.
Yes, sir.
And we doing. It's honestly my dream car too. If I get back into Hondas, I have to get a clean EK, or
Good luck.
or an Integra.
Or yeah, I would love.
Dude, I should have never sold my Integra. My red Integra.
Yeah.
I
The thing
should.
about these cars, like we get them and we sell them and we regret them.
Oh, for sure, dude. Because it was like a.
But at the same time,
It's a B18C1, bro.
that's so it's a GSR motor, right?
Yep.
Ah, see, that's why you fucked up.
Yeah, you even know. That's where you fucked up. But before I put more AMSOIL in this, we're obviously doing some other maintenance to it too, aka spark plugs, and he's learning how to use a torque wrench. So, well, that style of torque wrench, it's a little bit different.
It's the caveman torque wrench.
Yeah. Well, dude, you can have the beeps. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. See? I helped you.
Yeah.
Finally get the fuel filter on, and once that's all taken care of, we're gonna do the engine flush and change the oil. All right, now it's time for the engine flush. This does work for your transmission. However, the only way I would ever do it on an automatic transmission is if you drain the torque converter as well. It even tells you in the directions. So I wouldn't really recommend it fully for transmissions for the simple fact that you do have to drain the torque converter. So I just use this as an engine flush. So let's get to work, guys.
Let's do it.
Yeah, just there we go. So now we're gonna back out. We're gonna let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll immediately drain the oil. Oh, it's so cold. This thing has a lid?
Yep.
Nice. Is it high enough?
420, dude.
Oh, damn it. Set up.
16.
Oh man, it's a 16?
It's a 16.
What the? Can't believe it.
One
I can't believe it's not butter.
Come on, cardboard, work with me. There you go. Three, two, one. Oh, got it on my hand a little.
Yep, that engine flush sure did the job. Look how dark it is.
Yeah.
Because it was clean before.
Yeah, it was pretty golden still, yeah, huh?
Yeah, it was. Now look how dark it is. That just shows you the engine flush actually works.
Okay.
So, did the engine flush for the D-series that could. Ben, what was the color of the oil before we did this?
It's pretty golden.
Yeah, now how dark is it now?
It's dark.
You think it actually works?
It looks like midnight. Oh yeah, for sure it works.
Now guys, it's time to put in the brake fluid, dot 3 and 4, AMSOIL. We already drained the reservoir, so we're good to go. We have that size set up so we can start bleeding. We actually have a nice tool for that. So, bottoms up. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you something here. This is the clutch, which is brake fluid. Look how nasty that is. Just because you look at it, it's like, oh, it's kind of clear. No, dude, look how bad it is compared to that. Like, there's a huge difference, guys. Looks like we've been doing the clutch too. So, we have a one-way check valve for the brake fluid. So, brake fluid goes out, doesn't come back in. And this allows you a more simpler way to do this by yourself. Now, granted, I actually used to fill the bottle up with brake fluid and pump it out myself. Used to do that for a long time. And I would do two sides at a time. But with this, it's not even that expensive. It's just nice peace of mind. Now that I have this, this is what I use now. This is why you bleed your brakes, guys. Look at all that sediment. That's not the Mountain Dew bottle. We just bought it.
And drink it.
Oh, yeah, you drink it, but... yeah. That's gross.
You can see like a separation down there.
Right. Dude, this is why you bleed your brakes. Keep up with the maintenance on it, because you need to stop. Yeah, bro. Clutch. Yuck, that's the clutch, yo. Now, for the all-day maintenance ordeal with this car, time to put the oil in. Oh, yes. Dude, that non-spill funnel, I love it. And it's nice that I have it for the Subaru too, and it fits your Honda. Sheesh. Maintenance is all done for the Civic. We still got to do the transmission and the coolant. That'll be done on a later date. If you guys want to have the feeling of having quality fluids in your vehicle, please click the link below. That's my dealer link. It'll allow me to become your dealer, and that way I can help you guys out. If you guys have any questions, please email me at tyler@carsart.com.